Okay, students, very good evening to all of you. Okay, today our focus will be, of course, we are looking at vocabulary cloze, synthesis and transformation. It's very interesting. And then you guys will be writing a composition at the end. So let's sit and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's start with vocabulary cloze, MCQs. You guys are ready? You guys can do the first one. Come on. As usual, I'll be calling out names. So make sure you are attempting the question. So I like the lesson to be interactive. So you got to participate. That's good for you, all right? It brings out the confidence in you. All right. What's the answer for the first one? Anyone? Emma, what do you think the answer is? You don't feel shy, all right? You all learn from mistakes, but just try. Can you repeat that?
C.
B for boy or D for donkey?
No, C.
C. All right. What about the rest? Naomi, what's your answer for that? For this question?
C.
B or C? You got to be loud. I can't hear you. Sorry.
C.
Oh, too soft. Jerusha, what's your answer? Commonly, as the world's largest spiders, tarantulas are both feared and beloved. There are more than 850 species of these commonly hairy nocturnal arachnids, all right? So, commonly, it cannot be rarely, right? It cannot be hardly, it cannot be frequently. The answer is C, usually, all right? Answer is C, usually, all right? So just remember that. So you eliminate those two wrong answers. A and B completely out. C and D quite close, but of course, C is the best answer for this, all right? Okay, good. Okay, question 2. Okay, you guys using chat. Okay, fine. Jerusalem. C. Rituka gave me C. Naomi gave me C. Why is C? I could be misleading you, right? So just be careful with me. Emma got C as well. What about the rest? Come on, all participate. Larissa? I'm sure you can't. Hey, Jerusha and Marissa, what's your answer? You can just text me the chat box. C. And Jerusha, yeah, the answer is right. C is the correct answer. Well done, all of you. Okay, good. Good effort. Next one, come on. Hey, Jerusha. All right. What about Marissa? Emma gave me the answer. Jerusha, Utaka, Naomi. I think we're waiting for you, Marissa. What's your answer for this? You can say it out if you want. Yeah, correct. The answer is right. Answer is B. Frightening, despite their fearsome appearance. So basically, looking at frightening appearance. Sorry. All right. Next, question 4. Okay, got answers from Emma and Jerusha. Okay, not bad. Okay. Dutaka is right. You're left with Marissa or D. Tarantulas are not dangerous to humans. The closest here cannot be aggressive. Danger, threat. So the answer is C, threatening, all right? All right. It's dangerous. This is threatening. So the answer is C. Not bad, good effort. So it doesn't matter if you are gotten it wrong. As I said, you always learn. So our answer is C, threatening. Okay, what about the next one? Oh, so everyone's getting this right. Straightforward. Yeah, right. The answer is B, popular. All right, so well done, not bad. So for those who had gotten everything right, well done. For those who got almost all right, good as well. So let's look at the next session. Okay, those are the answers, but you have gotten the answers for me. Okay, the next section will be looking at synthesis and transformation. It's quite interesting. Let's look at what is in store for us. Okay, synthesis and transformation. What do they really want you to do? These questions require students to change a verb or an adjective to a noun. So disappointed is a verb. Disappointment is a noun. So it's important for students to recognize the structure and following that, know the noun form of each verb or adjective. You don't have to worry because we have a fair bit of practice to work on. Okay. Today we are covering 3 types of questions, March 2. So we're going to start with sentences starting with March 2, due to, out of. So these are the variations we'll be working on. So let's look at the first question. March. I was annoyed that I could not complete my mathematics in time. So can you guys try this? I was annoyed that I could not complete my mathematics revision on time. So are we going to rephrase this starting with the word much? You don't have to rush, just give yourself a good 2 minutes. Wow. Not bad, not bad. You can share your answer via the chat box, or you can just tell it to me verbally. The choice is yours. Of course, I like verbal interaction because it makes the lesson more interesting. So all of you must try, okay? Come on. Bad. Okay. How about the rest? Vitaka, Naomi, and Emma. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Not bad. So far, so good. Remember the verb anoint. You have to do something with that. You got to change that to a noun. So if you could do that, you would be very good. Taka, you okay there? You got the answer for this? You mind sharing? Verbally, just throw it out. Okay, just okay, March to, yep, all right, let's see what's happening. Who's next? All right, Rena. Okay. Rena, you got to rephrase your answer because your answer has to start with much, not that. So your first word is much. It's not that I could not complete. So you must start with the word much. Okay, so that's off. So you want to reattempt that, or I'll just give you the answer for this. Yutaka, okay. I was annoyed that I could not complete my mathematics revision on time, but you got to start with the word much. So it's going to be much to my annoyance. Annoyed becomes annoyance. ANNOYANCE. Annoyance, right? Much to my annoyance, I could not complete my mathematics revision on time.